You will look back and realize the delays protected you. The universe hasn't forgotten you. Your prayers are being heard. Your pain is being witnessed. Place your palms on your chest and with a smile on your face, say with me, I trust the divine plan. What is meant for you is already making its way towards you. The universe wants you to know your struggles have been heard. Every silent tear, every night you stayed awake wondering, why is life not changing for me? Every moment you felt forgotten, every time you almost gave up. The universe saw it all, even the pain you never spoke about. Right now, while you may feel frustrated with the delays, you may be feeling like everyone else is moving ahead while your life is stuck. Like the things you prayed for keep getting further away. But listen carefully. The universe wants you to know. Some delays are not punishments. They are protection. Not everything you asked for was aligned with the version you deserved to become. Sometimes the universe delays things because the timing is wrong, the people are wrong, the energy is wrong, or you are still healing from things you haven't fully released yet. And if certain doors had opened earlier, they would have broken you instead of blessing you. You call it rejection. The universe calls it redirection. There are battles happening behind the scenes that you cannot see. The universe is removing things. It is protecting you from energies, situations, and people your heart would have chosen, but your soul would have suffered from. That's why some things suddenly fall apart. That's why certain connections become distant. That's why life forced you to slow down, not to destroy you, but to save you from paths that were never meant for your peace and healing. I know you are tired of waiting, tired of hoping, tired of pretending you're okay when your heart feels heavy. But your struggles are not invisible. Every time you choose to keep going despite the pain, you shift. You shift something spiritually. Strength like that changes your energy, and energy creates your reality. The universe wants you to know each time you ask yourself to continue to move forward, to keep going, to not give up, to not lose heart, you are getting closer to what you really want. But before your next chapter arrives, something inside you must change. Because manifestations don't just arrive when you want them. They arrive when your energy is finally ready to hold them, without fear, desperation, or self-doubt. That is why this season feels uncomfortable. Because in reality, you are outgrowing an old version of yourself. The version that settled, the version that begged, the version that ignored their own self-worth. But one day, you will look back and realize the delays protected you, the heartbreak redirected you, the waiting strengthened you, and the things that didn't happen made space for what truly belongs to you. So if life feels uncertain right now, trust that the universe is still working in your favor, even in silence, especially in silence, because some of the most beautiful blessings begin forming in seasons where it looks like nothing is happening at all. Do not lose faith just because you cannot yet see the full picture. The universe hasn't forgotten you. Your prayers are being heard. Your pain is being witnessed. What is meant for you is already making its way towards you. I want you to close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath in. Exhale through your mouth. Feel a deep sense of relaxation as you remind yourself, good times ahead. Everything you've been through is leading you up to where you truly belong. Place your palms on your chest and with a smile on your face, say with me, I trust the divine plan. Universe is working in my favor. I am experiencing divine love in every part, cell of my body. I feel divine protection through every breath I take. Whoever I meet and interact with leaves me feeling more positive and loved than before. I am calm and peaceful. I expect good things to happen to me. I am God's favorite child. Now taking another deep breath in, inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. With a smile on your face, open your eyes. If this message resonated with your soul, comment, I trust the timing of my life. And each time you find yourself feeling heavy, in doubt, fearful, sad, just affirm with a smile, I trust divine timing. God is blessing me, guiding me, and guarding me. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.